I want you to peep this game, fam. Notice mind, body, spirit. Just like an atom has three parts: proton, electron, neutron. Mind, body, spirit. All three matter. So let's say you're doing a dumbbell incline bench, right? You're on the dumbbell incline bench. You got your mind engaged, right? You obviously got your body engaged. But what's left? Spirit. Take a look right here. Root word meaning of spirit. Click right here. Breathe. Breathe. Okay? So don't overlook the power of the breath. So many people have aches and pains because, quite frankly, their breathing patterns is not lined up with the mind and body. More airflow. Make sure you're breathing in just enough, breathing out just enough. And if you see right here, the body has layers. There's a spiritual layer to the body. I'm telling you, this game goes deep.